Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Emily Weeks, and I'm the Director of Cloud and Alliances at Zerto. I want to thank CDI for inviting us to be part of this event. This afternoon, I'm going to give you a brief overview of what Zerto does. And to start, I'm going to talk about IT imperatives we are seeing our customers challenged with. Moving to cloud, companies are looking for ways to take advantage of the cloud to innovate faster. You can't become digital without deploying one or more cloud infrastructures. New levels of security are required to deal with security threats and risks. We need to address ongoing compliance and regulatory requirements. In addition, data volumes are growing exponentially across the edge, the core, and cloud. So managing that data and taking advantage of it is critical. And then, as we know, the technology landscape continues to evolve, and IT needs to be taking advantage of what is new and available for the business. And while IT is doing all of that, they must continue to manage expectations of their customers, no downtime, no data loss, and ensure 24/7 business. Cost of disruption in a business is significant. 500 IT professionals were interviewed globally from various sizes of companies. So this is an average cost of downtime. So if you think about it, for a large enterprise customer, this could be significantly higher. And these can become very quickly scary statistics. Historically, to tackle these problems and disruptions, companies have used separate siloed tools and solutions, which not only add complexity to manage, but also costly. What is happening is a convergence of tools, and our answer to that is our IT resilience platform, which converges backup cloud mobility into a single platform. To achieve speed in decisions and innovation, you must simply modernize. IT cannot be rooted in legacy systems and processes and must evolve to ensure teams can focus on business generating activity and not maintaining infrastructure. How we do that and what we do is to converge cloud mobility, disaster recovery, and backup in a single, simple IT resilience platform. Our platform is software only and based on a foundation of continuous data protection, converging the functions of disaster recovery, operational recovery, long-term retention, hybrid, multi-cloud mobility, and operational services. Orchestration and automation are built into the platform, so you can automate manual processes. This enables you to align your resources better and focus on what drives your business forward. Analytics and control with out-of-the-box dashboards and reports provide complete visibility across multi-site, multi-cloud environments to ensure SLAs of the business are met. And being software only, the platform is storage and hardware agnostic, but with deep integration into strategic vendors as shown. There are 4 key advantages to our software-only platform that truly differentiate Zerto from other vendors that I'd like to review. First is our breed of hypervisor-based replication that is native and agentless to ensure continuous availability of your business. Second is our unique journaling technology to ensure you can recover and resume from any point in time from seconds to years. Third, moving or recovering data has to be about ensuring your applications are moved and recovered as one entity, so it's about application consistency. And lastly is simplicity. It is at the core to everything we do. Simplicity of deployment, ease of use, built-in orchestration, and analytics. One interface, one experience across on-premise and clouds to simply manage recovery, migrations, and all other use cases. Orchestration and automation have been built into our platform so you can automate your manual process. It doesn't matter where Zerto is deployed. The UI looks exactly the same and the principles remain unchanged. Organizations large and small use Zerto for many use cases, from disaster recovery, operational recovery, long-term data retention, hybrid, multi-cloud, and operational services. To close out our overview, I want to share with you 2 final slides. There are many examples of how Zerto delivers a return on investments to its customers. You can see here a few examples on this slide. As part of their DR strategy, HCA adopted Zerto to replace 4 DR solutions that they had in place. This not only saved reducing complexity, but as you can see, significant cost savings. We've seen many customers consolidating their data center sites. For cost reasons, BJ's was able to eliminate their secondary site with an $800K savings in 3 years by leveraging public cloud. Many organizations struggle with the time spent on operational production support processes, and Starbucks decreased the time they spent by 16 times. Downtime, as we have discussed, is not an option, and the cost to a company is significant, if not catastrophic. United uses Zerto to protect their website, an app which is critical to their business that could cost them as much as $1 million an hour if compromised. And another good example of consolidation is XPO Logistics, who has an aggressive acquisition strategy, which required them to consolidate their data centers from 21 to 6, and they did this in 36 months. And lastly, here is the IDC report, where I got several data points referenced today. I would suggest checking out the white paper on the state of IT resilience for more detail. And if there's any questions, please come to the Zerto booth or ask your CDI account manager for more information. Thank you, and have a great day, and I hope you enjoy the summit.